Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This one here is a 6 bottom teeth. Backside, it is solid gold guys, 14K solid gold. Okay, now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You choose how many teeth you want. You can do a top, you can do a bottom, you can do a set. It's 14K solid gold, guys. Real gold. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Handmade, made by hand, guys, not by a machine. Beautiful, solid gold grills. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.